What's up, achievers? How is everybody doing? I'm so glad you found your way to this another video that I'm creating for you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how do you use Google Trends to get new impressive product ideas. Before we get into the video, let me talk a little bit about the process using which I kind of get down to products which would have good potential on Amazon. So here's what I do. My process is basically a two-step process at the very top level. So what I do is basically I kind of mine and get a lot of product ideas from Amazon, from Google Trends, from using a lot of other different sources. So the first part of the process is to get product ideas. All right. The second part of the process is to filter out or weed out the products which may not perform well or which doesn't seem to have good potential by looking at the numbers, the data, and all those things. So that's how I do my product research, and in this video I'm going to talk about getting product ideas. I'm not really talking about if it's a good product idea or a bad product idea. I'm kind of giving you a method to come up with product ideas. So without further ado, let's get into my laptop and I will show you exactly how do I use Google Trends to find new interesting and exciting product ideas. Alright guys, so here we are on my computer screen, and as you can see I have opened up my browser. So just follow along with me. This video, again, just a small disclaimer for you guys. My videos might not be perfect, but I'm just trying to get some value out there to you guys on a regular basis. So please bear with me if they're not perfect, but thank you so much for sticking around, and let's get into the video now. Alright, so the first thing that you should do, I don't know if everybody knows what Google Trends is. So let me just take you to Google Trends first, and then I will give you a little bit of an idea about what the tool is and how can it help you do product research and other stuff. Alright, so let me just type in Google Trends. So the first link that would pop up, because obviously we've written the name, is it's going to be Google Trends. Just click on that, don't worry about it. Alright, so here is where we will land once we click on Google Trends, once we open Google Trends. Let me just make this full screen. Alright, so what Google Trends is basically, it's a tool that is provided for free from Google, and it actually gives you trends based on certain keywords, certain search terms that are being searched on the internet, especially on Google. So Google is the world's biggest search engine, right? You must know about that. So what Google does is basically analyzes and stores all the searches that users make on their search platform, and that helps them kind of get us an idea about what's trending, what's not trending. Is a search term being searched a lot? Is something being talked about a lot? And all of that. So it's basically kind of like an intelligence that Google gives us, and this information is by far the most valuable information on the internet, because you're basically looking behind the curtain into the Google's database, and Google is exactly telling you what's being searched on the internet, and they kind of update this information on a daily basis, and they keep about 5 years of historical data. So you can actually look ahead and look behind in time and kind of like come to a guess as to what is trending, what's going flat, what is not trending, and all that, and what might actually have a downtrend. So that'll kind of help you get to new product ideas and also evaluate other product ideas which you might get through different methods on Google Trends. So for example, let's say you wanted to sell kitchen knives. So let's go ahead and type in kitchen knives. So let's say you wanted to sell kitchen knives. So let's say that you figured out this product through some other search engine or some other product research or product discovery tool, and considering the fact that you might be selling this on Amazon.com, which is Amazon USA, you should actually just go ahead and pick United States over here. And now what this is showing you is that kitchen knives is being searched on Google.com with the average score of approximately 50. Like you see, there is 50 over here, there's 75 over here. These are spaced out with a difference of 25. So Google basically, you can say, normalizes all of the search data between 0 to 100. So the closer it is to 100, the higher search volume it has. As simple as that. So as you can see, this has a considerable good amount of search volume. It's not very high. It is kind of like at a good spot. So that means that it has considerable search volume and search data. Now if you scroll down below over here, it is also going to give you an idea about which regions have the highest search volume. Now I'm going to throw out some information here and there while I'm talking about this tool, because it might just help you in the future when you're actually launching a product. So how does this information help us? Interest by subregion. So it's exactly telling you that Tennessee has the highest search volume for kitchen knives, probably because it has the most households over there, probably because it has the most restaurants over there. It could be anything, but it is exactly telling you that Tennessee has the highest search volume for this particular keyword. Now, how does that help you? It basically tells you that if you are to run Facebook ads or Google ads, the best place to run your Google ads could be Tennessee. Because if you see, Tennessee has a score of 100, Washington has a score of 81. So these are the 5 top regions where you should target your ads. So this information is very, very useful when you're running ads, either on Google Ads or on Facebook.com. And you can actually even toggle it to city, so it's gonna give you the names of all of the cities. So right now I think it's just showing you New York, because I think New York has considerable amount of search data for this particular keyword, and all the other regions might be a lot below threshold. That is why it's only showing you one result over here. Now, the thing that I really want you to pay attention to now is related queries. Now, that is how I get more product ideas using Google Trends. So kitchen knives are definitely saturated on Amazon.com. It's probably a bad idea to start selling kitchen knives for multiple reasons. Plus, I must say that kitchen knives, you're gonna have a lot of difficulty for actually getting it shipped from China to US. So don't even think about selling kitchen knives. This is just an example, and stick around with me and bear with me. So yeah, so what Google is now telling us that kitchen knives is fine, but these are the top 5 related queries that people are searching on Google, which are kind of like having a breakout. Now what a breakout means is that it's having like a sharp uptrend. So if you look at this Kumiko Knives, so I don't even know what this means and what product does it lead to. So what you can do over here is actually 2 things. First, if you don't know what exactly does this mean and what are people searching for, just click on search on Google over here. It'll take you to Google, and I think this is kind of like a particular variety of knives. Alright, seems like it's a Japanese knife. Oh, okay, so this seems like it is branded, and they might definitely have a patent on it. But yeah, so this is a special kind of knife that people are searching for. People are searching specifically for Kumiko. So let's say if you were to do online arbitrage, instead of selling any random knife, you should probably sell Kumiko knives, because that is something that people are searching for definitely. Now, to validate this information, I would also actually go to merchant words and I would search for Kumiko knives to get an idea about how much of it is being searched on Amazon, because merchant words gives you search volume of these queries on Amazon.com. So this is a great tool to have. You must have it. It is not free. You can get it for about $9 a month, but it is 100% worth it. So yeah, if you see here, estimated search volume, that's about 21,000 people are approximately searching it. This is in the home and kitchen category, of course. And if you now hover over this search icon and click on search on Amazon, it will exactly take you to the products that people see when they type Kumiko knives on Amazon. Alright, great. So I'm pretty sure this is very competitive, and like I said, I'm just trying to help you get to product ideas. I'm not really evaluating if it's a good product idea or a bad product idea. So yeah, let's look at what else this is telling us. 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐬𝐿 knives. Now this could be some other brand. Let's look at that. Alright, these are like tactical knives for multi-purpose. This is probably not a kitchen material, but now again, if you see, we have actually found out 2 specific varieties of knives that you could probably sell on Amazon.com instead of, again, like going ahead and picking up a random knife. These are very specific knives that people might be searching on Google or on Amazon.com, which could help you get to product ideas for your Shopify or your Amazon store. Because product research is not just around Amazon. You could actually get product ideas for whatever you want to do online. It could be your Shopify store, it could be your Amazon store. We just got 2 product ideas over here, and that's how you get product ideas for Amazon. Now let me just quickly show you with some other keyword, because this just seems very saturated. So yeah, let's say you want to search for let's type in the keyword wooden. Let's see what people are buying, which is made up of wood. So wooden itself has a very high search volume, so that's really not a product, it's just a kind of material. This is another way you can get to product ideas. So I'm just going to scroll down and find related queries. Now over here you can see this is telling you that these are rising right now. These search keywords or search phrases are rising on Amazon. People are searching for wooden fidget spinner. Now you must think about this. Fidget spinners are definitely very saturated and outdated now. You cannot and you should not start with it. But if you want to get lucky and if you want to kind of like make quick money, which I really don't advise, but still, like if you are having that extra cash lying around and you want to play around with it, then you can see exactly what this is giving you. It's telling you that people are actually searching for wooden fidget spinners. Now, I haven't seen any wooden fidget spinners till date. Like I haven't come across any wooden fidget spinners, so this is very surprising to me. And I would definitely look into this. And this is a different and a specific kind of fidget spinner that people might be searching for. Now, if you look at something else, like this is giving you at least 25 queries. Now, if you look at something else over here, wooden hair beads. Now this is another product. Wooden wind chimes, that's another product. Small wooden crates. Now wooden crates might be one kind of product, but small wooden crates is a very specific thing. Now people, if they are searching for it, if it's a good product, you can look at the numbers and evaluate it using the second phase that I might talk about in different videos. But yeah, that's another product. Wooden comb is another product. See, wooden cutting boards, wooden bowls, wooden cross necklace, wooden chopsticks, wooden train tracks, interesting, and wooden discs. So alright, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. This is how I use Google Trends. You can actually put in a broad keyword for your product that you think is selling well on Amazon, and then you can actually drill down to a specific kind or variety of that product so that you can differentiate yourselves. Instead of getting into a spot and picking up a product which has very high competition, you can actually pick something very specific. Or like I did in the second phase, you can actually just put in the material of the product. Let's say you have a very good tie-up with a factory which kind of is specializing in selling wooden products, manufacturing wooden products. You can just go ahead and put in wooden, and you can figure out what's selling well, what's rising, what are people searching for on Amazon.com using wooden, and then talk to your manufacturer or supplier over there in China, and then ask them that if they can make this kind of product, whatever you're coming up with through your research. So that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video, and I will probably make more videos around product research and getting more product ideas. This is just one of the methods that I use. I'm so glad and I'm so happy that you found your way to my channel. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched till the end, here's a small surprise for you. Make sure you put down your questions, your queries in the comments below in YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up, and Instagram me if you want to have a 10-minute Skype call with me, or have a one-on-one conversation with me. That is it. So that is it, guys. I will come around with another video tomorrow, most probably. I hope you stick around. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and kick ass on your Amazon business right now. Get started, get moving, get kicking. All the best.